All right, people. With our part 3, okay, part C3 of question 2 from the CSEC Mathematics January 2024 paper. Now, remember say, if we practice, try the question and before you watch the video, right? Make sure you do that. Practice the maths every day. Now, let me copy this thing here. And by the way, let me see something here. Yeah, 3 marks and give you this. And this is the last part of question 2 too, you know. Alright. Remember, so we did do the other part of the question earlier. But we did erase the board since. So that we make space for whatever is supposed to there. So, let me pull this down here, so. What did it say? Solve the pair of simultaneous equations in 1 and 2 to find the value of A and B. Show all working. You see that part there? Let's see how they write in a bold. Show all working. So, you have, say, let me put the equation with the bigger numbers them up top. 7a plus 8b equal 342, and then you have 2a plus 5b equal 171. Alright, good. Now, you remember, so you have 4 main ways you can solve simultaneous equation. You remember them? You can use elimination method, substitution method, you can use matrices, and you can use graph. Right? But anyway, we're going to use elimination method and do this. Call this equation 1. Just write EQ1. You don't have to write out the whole EQUATION1. And this is equation 2. Alright. So, let me write equation 1, equation 2. Let me write the EQ. Now, here, you remember, you can always add 2 equations and get a third equation. You can always subtract 2 equations and get a third equation. Alright? Now, let me see something. Our problem is that we have 2 unknowns in a 1 equation, so you can't just solve some. Equation 1 have unknown A and unknown B. Can't work out. Equation 2 is just 1 equation, have unknown A and unknown B. What you want to do? Get rid of A and have B alone as the only unknown. Or get rid of B and you have A alone as the only unknown. Right? Let me see what's going to happen. So no. If you say equation 1 minus equation 2, you have 7a minus 2a give you 5a, a is still there. You have 8b minus 5b give you 3b, b is still there. So you can just subtract equations. If you add them, you have 7a plus 2a give you 9a, a is still there. 8b plus 5b gives you 11b, you still have b there. So you have to do a little thing. Remember also you can multiply, you can always multiply an equation by a number and give you another equation. Suppose you say equation 1 times 2. That going to give you 2 7 14a. And suppose you say equation 2 times 7. That would give you what? 2 7 14a. So if you subtract them, right? If you subtract these 2 new equations, you're going to get 0a. You eliminate a. You see that? So, make we deal with it. That method there. Equation 1 by 2. It means 2 times 7 give you 14a plus 2 times 8 give you 16b equal 2 times 342 give you what? 2 2s 4, 2 4s 8, 2 3 6, 684. Alright? Is a new equation. Like we call it equation 3. And then after that, equation 2 by 7. 7 by 2. Give you 14a plus 7 by 5b. Give you 35b equal 7 by 171 give you 717, 77, 49, bring down the 9, carry 4. 717, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1197 you get. Alright? So, we can call this equation 4. Alright, and then we say, we can subtract the equation 3 and 4 and get rid of a. If we say equation 3 minus equation 4, we're going to get some negative numbers. If we say equation 4 minus equation 3, we get positive numbers. Any way you want. What I'm going to do is just get the negative numbers and deal with it. So, we're going to say equation 3 minus equation 4. If you do that, we're going to say 14a minus 14a. That's 0a. We don't even have to write it. 16b minus 35b. We could just save some time and use the calculator and done. So, what you're going to have? You're going to have 16 minus 35 and give you negative 19. And when you say 684 minus 1197, you're going to get negative 513. So, you have negative 19b equal negative 513. B would have been 1 now. You have to say b equal negative 513 over negative 19 equal. So you go back to your calculator and you calculate the negative 513 over negative 19 and see what you get. So, are the same thing as if you say 513 over 19, right? 27. So B at 27. Good. You get B as 27. Now that you get B as 27, you can say you substitute B equal 27 in equation. Well, whether you want to substitute in an equation 1, 2, 3, or 4 are the same thing you're going to get. The simplest equation, equation 2. Since you have smaller numbers, right? So, you substitute B equal 27 in equation 2. This is 2a plus 5 times 27. 5 times b, 5 times 27 equal 171. You see that? And then you say 2a plus 5 by 27 what? 25, 100, 75, 35, 135. You're going to get 135. So if you say 5, 7, 35, bring down the 5, carry 3, 5, 2 is 10, 11, 12, 13. You get 135 equal 171, right? Subtract 2a equal 171 minus 135, right? 171 minus 135, you know what? Borrow 1 from 7, leave 6, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 6, And you have 6 minus 3 at 3. So 2a equal 36. So a equal, you're going to get 36 over 2 equal 18. So what you have is that a equal 18 and b equal 27 as the answer. So that is it for question 2. We'll move on to question 3 in the next video.